also have a YouTube, Atkins Fabrication event, so messing around lathe a little bit. Working on trying to cut a little Morse tape or see if I can make it work. I don't know. What do y'all think? You think I can make it work? Take it back here again. I've been taking 10 a clip. Let's take another 10. We'll hit the feed. And we'll watch it go. Maybe a little spread. There she goes. There she goes. I must say she's doing pretty good, man. I'll cut this one, go back and cut a little bit of the table real quick. You can see what I'm doing there. And disengage feed. Back off since we're gonna not run this down again. We're gonna start like maybe right in here. Let's feed in. Take a nice and easy, see what we got here. Let's see. Down to the end here. We're gonna leave that little nipple on here for now. We ain't gonna take that yet. But what I do want to do is I want to bring it up in here like this, and then start. That's a nice goddamn chip, I'm just saying. Oh, it's hot. That's probably hot shit. Alright, baby. That ain't turn no Morse taper. Right? And that's hot. Very hot. The heat did what it was supposed to do. The heat dissipated in the chips. Anyway, I just want to say she's doing great, man. Very happy with her performance. I mean, that's dangerous. It should have been breaking chips, right? But it's high-speed steel. I don't have a chip breaker in it. For not having a chip breaker in it, doing what I'm doing, I mean, she's turning amazing, man. I can't ask for anything more. I'm very grateful for it. I cleaned the chuck up. The chuck is holding much better. Look at that. I don't have no runs going around the chuck. I mean, she's doing great. I took it apart and deburred everything. I mean, it was nasty in there. It was never deburred. None of it was ever clean. I cleaned it. I deburred it. I put it on the wire wheel. I put it on the flat diamond stone. The finish doing some deburring. She's holding. I may not need another 3-jaw chuck for 4-inch anyway. I got 4-inch. But I'm working on it. I'd like to get me a 4-inch 4-jaw chuck. And then I'd like to get a 5-inch 3-jaw chuck and a 5-inch 4-jaw chuck. And a 5-inch I don't want an ER32 or anything like that. I like to have a 5C collet holder. Something like that. It got for like $1.50 in certain spots. I ain't gonna be mentioning business names on here anymore. I'm open for doing tool reviews and stuff like that. No problem at all. You know, holler at me. I'm trying to take this company. I'm trying to turn this AF into a brand. Atkins Fabrication. Hey man, I need a wagon built. Atkins Fabrication, man. Holler at him. I need a table built. Atkins Fabrication. Holler at him, man. Hey man, I need an Amish dining room table set for my people, man. Call Atkins Fabrication, man. You know, they got some wild stuff and they'll twist it for you because it won't just be Amish, it'll be American too. They can put wrought iron in it to make it sturdier. I mean, Highland Atkins Fabrication. That's what I want. I want it to be a brand. No matter what needs to be done. Remember, and then some. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Never forget the and then some, because that could be anything. It's just a twist. Hey man, thank y'all for tuning in. Just wanted to update on the lathe. She's doing great. That's that 9x20 Central Machinery. She's holding tough, man. She's a great lathe, man. I'm so grateful, man. I'm telling you. Anyway, we getting ready to get on to a little bit more of the grinding. That bad boy right there. It looks like I'm holding a gold trophy. I'm the winner. Ah, the best Atkins Fabrication. Then some. We won us a first place trophy. 2 of them. It's like, hey man, get at me, man. Don't forget what I said, man. Hit me up on my email address, man. Y'all need anything done, just holler at me. I'll see what I can do, man. I'm trying to get some business together here. Somebody tried to take me off for some Bitcoin on a video tip, man. I had to tell him, man, he picked the wrong person. I'm already broke. Hey, man, Atkins Fabrication and some, man. Hit the subscribe button, man. Hit the like button, man. Talk to me in there. Another thing, man, I got a Patreon account. I post stuff over there, man. Go check it out. And if you feel like, man, you know, in this time in the air, man, I've heard someone say that, you know, back in the day, we could have never really done this. We could have never had a channel where we can really kick back and kick the bobo, right? But now we got that, and you guys can really invest in us, man, and take us where you want us to be, not where we want to be. This ain't about us. I mean, it is. The deal with this is what you get from YouTube goes to the shop, and then what you make off of YouTube goes to the shop. But when you make customers from the advertisement of this, that's your company. That's yours. All that is taxable. That is yours. That's how you pay the rent. That's how you buy new machines and put them in here. Well, that and the Patreon can do that also. You know, a Patreon could say, hey, here's this, order a machine and put it in there. Whew, boy. I would pass out if somebody told me to do that with a milling machine. I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, listen. I just want y'all to be part of this, man. I want to make this something. I'm trying so hard, man. If anybody could teach me how to do editing, like real editing, where I can put some background music in it and really chip through this and make it a really good video, man. And eventually, I'd like to get some cameras, man, to deal with this lighting issue. You know what I mean? Because that light up there, that thing's a humdinger when you got that phone pointed at it. So anyway, man, just dreams, man. I hear God talking to me. He's telling me what it's gonna be. This is what it's gonna be. It's gonna happen. Whether I make it happen or y'all walk with me on this journey and make it happen, whether this camera's rolling or not, this is going to happen. I love this. God has blessed me with this, and I'm not going to let him down. I'm going to show him. So I hope y'all come take this walk with me. Let's go on this journey together, man. Hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about it. Atkins Fabrication and some. I'm out.